this is my first time. It's okay.
Your first time?
Yes.
Wow.
It's okay or not?
Yeah, it's be careful, it's okay.
I can learn, so it's fine. Okay, so let's try. Guys, today I woke up with a very stupid and crazy idea. I was thinking, looking at all these motorbikes, I was thinking, what if I learn how to drive a motorbike in the craziest city of the world, Chi Minh City? The real question is, am I gonna survive? Am I gonna die? Do I have a travel insurance? Well, I do not. Let's hope everything will be fine and that life will not be too crazy. But first, I need to grab some food, not from her. Here this guy sells sugar cane. Pretty interesting. Let's get something that will give me enough energy so I'll be able to drive a motorbike, and I'll do that with zero experience. Look how many motorbikes. That's why I am so tempted. That's the perfect city. If you learn how to drive here, you can drive anywhere. Of course it's red, and then crossing the street I see no other way around, and well, that's how Chi Minh, guys. Let's cross. Okay, we're fine. We are alive again. No Texas chicken, no pizza company. I want something more local. No KFC, no YOLO. That's a nice name. What do we have here? Maybe we have found something. Okay, doesn't look so tempting to me. Guys, so that's where we are gonna come after I destroy the motorbike. Look how they try to catch me. It's really good to know all these mechanics just before getting into a big accident. This one seems like a good place. Which one is the best? This one? Since I got here a bit early, but it's 3 p.m. The thing is that that's the night street where you expect to see all the nightlife and stuff you can imagine. I would usually have such sandwiches from the streets, but for once I wanted to try it warm and probably fresh. And I'm thinking that the reason that I want to try something healthy and fresh is because I'm so scared to go on this motorbike. Oh my gosh. It's not the time to be nervous, it's the time to make this Asia tour great again. And here we can rent a motorbike. Hi. So it is 150,000. Yeah. Okay. And I never drive before. It's okay? I can learn for the first time.
You have passport? Okay,
sure.
I keep passport.
Yeah.
Okay, I keep.
Can you teach me the basic and
Yeah, it's automatic.
everything is automatic?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
You take 1 or 2 helmet?
Huh?
1 or 2 helmet?
One person.
Helmet.
Ah, one helmet.
1?
Yes,
Okay.
just for me. So guys, 150, it's like $7. Thank you.
Okay, my friend is surprised.
Okay, so I need to sign.
Yeah, okay, you go there.
Thank you. So you keep the passport?
Yeah, I keep.
Okay. So
Okay,
that's
you
yours?
you sign and present. Okay. Off. On.
Off on.
You go down and turn right.
Go down to the
Yeah,
right?
yeah, and you see the gas station. You refill.
Okay, I refill this.
About
How much?
50,000.
50,000 refill.
Yeah,
Okay.
50,000. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. Wait.
Left, right,
So this one is left. No, which one is left?
left,
Left and the right.
and the right.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
And the right. Yeah.
The lights.
Light.
Okay. Personal?
Yeah, go here. Remember here.
Also this.
Slowly, slowly. Yeah.
Or longer,
Yeah,
or strong.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
let me try.
Let me try.
Okay. So it will be like this. Wait, no. Can you show me again?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah. On.
On. This is the button to turn on.
Yeah. Two. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sorry. Let's try another time.
Okay.
Okay, so now it can go. Oh gosh, we're going so fast. Oh. No worries, I didn't crash it yet. Somehow I am arrived at the gas tank. Let's hope for the best. It was very weird and I still do not know how to put the camera anywhere.
Forty.
40. Okay, it's fine. Thank you very much. So one of the worst things is not being able to film it. I will try to find a solution for that. Oh, I turned it on at the first try. Now I need to fix these windows because I see nothing at the moment. Maybe like that is okay. And also, I don't know. Do I see anything now? Yeah, I almost see anything. So let's see where this trip will bring us and if we will be safe. Maybe like this will be fine. I will put it inside here and let's hope everything will be great for both me and the video, not only the video. Let's get into the road. There are so many bikes. Oh my gosh, we are running. Oh, we need both brakes. The left brake doesn't work so well. Anyway, I am kinda confident that I can actually make it. Okay, people are doing the klaxon at me. Oh gosh, no, a little jump. More jumps. Why are there so many jumps over here? Let's go slowly. Slowly is the best way to arrive somewhere. Not sure if you reach the goal, but slowly sometimes you can make it. Oh my gosh. Where are we actually going? We actually made it to somewhere. Here there is a huge skyscraper with probably a place where you can land your helicopter. And now I try to go straight. Oh, let's not crash on the limousine. Everybody's passing me. Sorry man, I do get your job. Oh, we're about to see... I do not know if you're about to see something different on the camera about me driving badly. That's what worries me when other people enter my area. Go slowly. I should probably go as slowly as this woman. That's the perfect way to go.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Oh gosh, everybody is passing me. Why don't you look where you go? Where is this guy going? Oh. Let's run. Let's cross. Let's get back inside because I do not want to be on the main roads over there. Ah, there is pretty nice. This city is a mess. but I like it a lot. Oh no, man, what are you doing? So how are you guys enjoying the trip so far? It has been a bit crazy. We are passing through villages, districts where no tourists come, and we got this temple or a church or a school, whatever it is. It's nice and something different from the European American buildings that we are used to. I do not know where to put this camera to give you a different angle, and I'm not even sure if you can hear me when I talk. Let's try something different. It will fall 1,000,000%. Let's turn on the moto again. Oh my gosh, are we ready? Are we? Oh, it went on. It's moving. It's actually moving. Oh, wait, we are safe, probably. Why to me? Man. Why do you need to rush so much? Here we have all the people at the stops. 6 seconds to put the camera inside the bag again. What are we doing with our life in this moment? I have no idea. Oh, gosh. I'm already imagining how many comments can you make about this helmet that doesn't fit me at all. Oh, we are moving. We are actually moving. Oh, it's always a miracle. Don't cross like that in 4 people, please. Oh. I'm the only one letting pass the people. That's how you do. You just move on the side and you let everyone pass. The situation is getting crazy and crazier, but I'm doing this big experiment for a reason. If I learn how to ride safely, I'm thinking about renting the motorbike for bigger adventures, not just city adventures. So let's see how far I can go. I actually need a thumbnail. Let's see if we can make a U-turn. Oh, we did. Maybe we can cross like that. Can we? I'm not so sure we can. Probably we are not allowed. Oh my gosh. Maybe I will pass you. Oh. Oh, we did it. We actually did it. Up, up. Oh. No. I don't like the situation. So many people, so many cars. My dear American friends, they will not appreciate this. Where do we go now? I am in front of the famous post office for no specific reason. I just came here because I'm doing circles and circles without really being sure of where I'm going. I just had probably an amazing idea, guys. I can put the backpack like that, and I will put the camera inside so you can see my face, how much I'm scared in some moments. Let's see how it goes. I really have no idea if you can see anything. Let's hope so. I took out my sunglasses so you can see my face a bit scared now and then. A U-turn. Oh, that was scary. I put both feet on the floor. I don't like when there are cars stopping here on the right side. Oh, let me pass. Let me pass. Okay. We have done it, somehow. I don't know where we are. We are about to approach what seems to be a very big bridge. There is a famous skyscraper on the other side of the river. I'm the only guy on a motorbike going as fast as the bicycle in front of me. I cannot even pass it because they're gonna crash me. Oh, come on, guys. I have my rights. Oh. We're passing the bicycle guy? Yes, we did. Let's see if we can get the thumbnail. have no idea where I am. It's a pretty interesting district in the middle of all this craziness. I want to go to that side. I want to find the perfect hamlet. Nothing is possible at the moment. Oh gosh, millions of bikes. Oh no. Lady, be careful. Okay. Maybe I should be the one being careful here. Oh gosh. I actually saw... Let's go and learn from the locals. I want to go on this side because there is something I wanted to show you. Let's go. Let's go. I saw a woman selling rats. I really saw a woman selling rats. Look at this. Hello. What is this?
Yeah.
Chicken? No. They are little birds. Okay, let's keep going with the vlog. I think I want to go see the tallest skyscraper that it is here in Ho Chi Minh City, which is called something skyscraper 81 because it has 81 floors. Oh gosh, what do we do now? Should we follow the rule? Oh gosh, we did it. Let's go. We are in front of the tallest skyscraper here in Ho Chi Minh City. 81 floors, goes up there, touches the sky, so romantic. And now I think it's time to end this video, therefore thank you for watching, keep reading and believe in your dreams. Ciao! Okay. Can you make me a photo?
I will help you.
Here we have a few.
Phil, yeah.
Phil.
Phil.
I did remember the name. He helped me make a photo of the skyscraper.
Yeah.
And well, I'll leave you my channel, so thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
I am just taking out the camera again because this palace is huge. 81 floors again. We have a Ferrari that someone left it here. So now he has to pay the fee and they will let him go away with his beautiful, beautiful race car. Wow. What did we learn today? It's very simple. The only way to drive with these bikes on these streets is to do it with confidence and maybe with some food inside. And there is no other way. You just pass, you hope that everything will be okay, you hope that the other guys, they will see you, and you go.